Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Nandanwar. Today date is 24th Feb 2022. Today video topic is SCP in Java string. Then the long form of SCP is the string constant pole or a string lateral pole. Then the first SCP-R 1.7 version are present in the heap area. Then string constant pole is separate place in the heap memory. Then where the value of all the string which are defined in the program are stored in the memory. Then when we declare a string on object of type string is created in the stack. In this stack, then the value of string is created in the heap memory heap area the variable allocates stack while the value is stored in the heap in this string constant pool. Then for example, string s1 is equal to hello. Then the object is created in the stack. The value is hello is created in the store in the heap memory. Then the value is stored in the heap of memory. Then for example, for example, string s1 is equal to hello world. Then second string s2 is equal to hello. Two same Then the two same strings are stored in first of all in the scp. Then object are created in first time in the scp. In this case, both the string object get created in this stack, but another instant in Java store all the value inside the string constant pole on direct allocation in the hello words. Then the value of hello is not created in the next heap next of the cp. Then for example, string s1 is equal to new string bracket hashine. A new string is object created in the stack of the stack. Then can reference is direct with the help of the string. Then the string is then the string pool is then new string are always in the heap area. Then first new string in created in the scp. Then next in the heap area. Then a new string is object created in the stack can reference in the direct, which is the heap of the string constant pool. Exist in the to reduce in the memory. Then uses and improve the reuse of the existing instance of the memory. Then when the string is object assign a different value, but the new value the new value will be registered in the string constant, but string constant full, but separate instant in this string but new keywords while create a new string object, then the new keywords force a new instance of to always be created in the recording same value, but uses use in the previous then or not. But then a new string keywords the instant of to create in the heap outside the string, then scp are create in the already create in the string, then new check is the scp, then new the new string, then the object are create in the inside the scp, then string lateral pole are for the lateral pole, then our object in created in the scp first of all, then next it heap area, then all about scp in this string. Okay, thank you everyone.